What up? So I ain't trying to look at y'all. I'm trying to show y'all some trades. So I'm going to share my screen with y'all. And we about to go over some trades. Oh man. Alright, wait. I don't want to do that like that. See, but I ain't that good at this. Alright, boom. Maybe y'all can see me, maybe y'all can't. Okay. So let's go over some trades that I just took. So here, as you can see, I don't have your normal candle structure. I have an inside bar strategy where if it's inside of a major price, it's still consolidating, and I would like to know that. I like to know is it being in what range is it being bound in? You know, this top range to this low range is 42, 228, about 580, 228, almost 300 pips, 300 pips around that range, 200 to 500. Okay, so we know that if we're trading inside of here, what other zones can we work out of that's inside of that range? And I'll break it down from weeks, from 1 week, well, from a month total, because I have monthly levels drawn. Man, let's just go over some trades because, all right, how was yesterday's trade? This was some nice trading on the NASDAQ futures, okay? This was some very interesting trading for me. Okay, so now we're looking at the 1 hour chart, right? And I have this chart marked up pretty well. So I know what these colors mean, what these levels mean. You know, everything means something to me in this area that you see me trading in, okay? This range means I want to stay bullish. This is letting me personally know I want to stay bullish outside of this range or above this range because I believe it's bullish structure. This red line, as you can see, that's an alarm. It says August month close. So I know that it's tapping a monthly close of August and June, which is a powerful level. You see, it's a magnet here. Boom, boom, boom. Reaction, reaction, reaction. You know, those are the places you I would like to trade off of, you know, monthly levels. So I know that if it's in this range and I'm getting some type of formation from monthly close down to this level, or do I just above here? And I know below this level is a selling area. So anything I want to be bullish still because this is like the basement, the floor area, and I want to stay above this level. So I made trades go outside of that level. This was like my ceiling up here. Uh, this green level, which is also a monthly level. All of these levels, like I said, to me. So I take a lot of these trades based off of these zones drawn. Now it's important to know why those zones are drawn, but we'll get into that another time. It's basically just candlestick highs and lows, opens and closes. Okay, so I want to go over this trade here. I think this was a wrong. I was wrong on this trade. Let's see. I bought 22.30 and sold at. Oh no, it was at a sale. So that was a win of about 30 pips, 230. So let's go inside of there. We were trading off of them. Yeah. See, it's not really telling me how I entered in or what this trade was. Can we see replay trading? Launch replay bar. Let's see. That's when I want to start getting active on this to go down. If I believe that this is going to go back into the zone, I would want to trade off of the zone. But this actually could mean that okay, it closed above and it's closed above. Could it go ahead and push up? This is how I would decide if I'm getting the zone down here or up here. I want to know what closing like 11. You say right now is 11:38. That's we're on a 15-minute chart right here. So if we go to our chart and it looks like that, how do we expect this to close? If we get this to close above here, then we know we can start looking bullish, because it's closed above the monthly zone candle. Okay, cool. But if it closes below, if this comes down and closes below, say at 12 o'clock, say it's 11:38 that we're trading right now, and at 12 o'clock this hour candle closes below, and you're on the hour chart. Okay, you know that you can look for another signal, maybe for a continuation down back into this zone if you want to trade short, or if at least have this area as your stop loss, because if it closes above here, the chances of it bouncing off the monthly level to go long is a little bit higher. But this is how you would judge it. So we would see, okay, so we got to close. We got to close below. Okay, so that was a close below the 15-minute, 12 o'clock. We got to close below here. So that's where 12 o'clock closed. So then we got a little retrace. Hey, that's a decent little short there to pull back up. And we got an hour that closed below our area of interest right here. And so we can take this and go, boom. And I think this trade was actually taken. I think it's at 11.97. Let's see. Does it hit this area? Does it stop you out up here? We getting closes above. I really wanted to see if it was gonna rate, but I guess that didn't happen. I wanted to be able to see my trade, but let's go to the best trade that was taken this week since this was the best trade that I week. So let's review this trade. Um, exit was about here. $482. Entry price. 482 was the exit price. Entry price is, let's go with the was 20,284. So 20,284. All right. So this trade went for 182 pips. I think I made about $700. This was a this was plus 700 because I had two contracts. All right, so yeah, this trade was plus $700. We got in at 284. All right, and that was 190 or 155 pips that this was. I count from $300 to about $1,300 because we also had a Dow trade, but this was a chunk of the trade right here. And let's look at some of this trade, why it was taken. So where did that trade go? The trade was Thursday. So that was the only breakout for the that was at the week. Let's go to the week. So we do everything with time. We study everything with time. All right. We had what was Monday? Monday was here. So we had Monday. Let's mark the high and low for Monday. Give you an example of. We'll make the highs and lows blue for Monday. It's the first trading day of a new week, right? Cool. We got a bullish day here on Thursday, and then we got Friday closing inside of there. So this bull candle is the most powerful bullish signal that we have right now, this area of interest. That's why we have the blue here at the top and the blue at the bottom. No down. When we go down in these charts, and that's also a monthly closing level that we are trading off of. So we know that we have bullish confirmation because it's closed below, broke inside of it, came back and closed. Then we got to close inside. So now we got some type of a close outside of this previous day's candle, but a bullish close still within the zone. So we got confidence that this is the floor. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times the floor. And then we got one more fifth time with bullish confirmation here in this zone. Okay. for Thursday. We just capitalized on that zone. Okay, we see how much of an area this actually is. Let's see how many pips this really is. This is, let's see, about 160 pips. Okay, that's 160 pip zone. Okay, this blue area. So we know that we're from the bottom to the top, we're trading about 150, 160 pips with maybe a 50 pips stop loss. But we can go inside of the day and be able to recognize where we are and what levels we want to trade off of. So having those zones marked really help you know your bias when you're going inside. So let's go inside the chart. And this was the day, Thursday, that we actually took the trade on. And this is when it's closed. It's first day above the monthly previous month's close. And then we was possibly expecting a follow through. Okay, this could have closed up here very well, but it didn't. It fell back down. So, where else do you think it go? Do you think it closes back inside and falls back down, or does it stay above this monthly level and continue to rise? We won't know, but we did get closed inside on this particular day. So let's look at this trade. This is the back side of the week. So we got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and we got news. And it just broke the monthly close level, okay? Closed above it. We got some confirmation that it's breaking outside the zone. Okay. So this is a news day. We don't really get too much. Let's go inside of the day. On Thursday, and then it broke out, closed above on an hour chart, pulled back inside, stayed above Monday's high. So we got a weekly build up going. We got Monday break above Monday's high, and then continuing up. And this what we were able to um, actually capture. I was losing over here because I was trying to take this trade above this level here, and it wasn't working out for me. I don't think. I can't really remember, but because this was it happened Asian session after the news from 10 o'clock to was that 5 o'clock. All right, and we have an entry here, one entry, and the other entry is here. So we got two entries here. One, two. This was a wrong entry. I think I sold this one. Thought maybe it was gonna break the high, and I tried to buy in here, and I lost. I think I lost, and then I instantly knew it closed back above. Okay, it's time to get in. It's breaking the previous day's high. Okay, I want to be at this level or above, so I'm okay getting in anywhere around in this area. Enter, enter. Okay, I'm above the previous day's high. Okay, now this is when I got out of this trade at about 7 in the morning because I believe it was news on Thursday, this day, and the market hadn't opened yet. And one of my trades and setups is if the market is open, is above the high, had made a new high pre-market. When the market opens up, sometimes it just takes the liquidity of the day, or the people that made money. And so I got out. I didn't trade this short here. I did get out of this trade. And normally I would come and see this at a high and then trade it back down, at 10, 11 o'clock. But I just stayed away. I was happy to make some money. Attack the monthly close again here, just to try um, play around a little bit here. I sold back into the monthly line here. monthly line here. Made about $50, $30. This was $700. Yeah, I hope I get better with these reviews, but that's all I know.